Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off notifications from Google Chrome on Windows. If you're tired of annoying pop-ups or unwanted alerts while browsing, this guide will help you disable them easily. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls various site permissions, including notifications. Now scroll down and select Site Settings under the Permissions section. Look for Notifications and click on it. Here you will see the option Sites can ask to send notifications. If this is enabled, websites will display a pop-up asking if you want to allow or block notifications. To completely turn off notifications, click on Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. This will prevent any website from requesting notification permissions. If you want to block notifications only from specific websites, scroll down to the Allowed section, find the site you want to block, click the menu next to it, and select Blocked. If you want to remove a website from the blocked or allowed list, click the three dots and select Remove. The next time you visit that site, it will ask for permission again. Some notifications may still appear if Chrome is allowed to send system notifications. To disable them completely, open Windows Settings by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. In Windows Settings, go to System, then click on Notifications and Actions. Scroll down until you see Google Chrome in the list of apps that can send notifications. Click on Chrome and toggle off the Notifications option. This will prevent Chrome from sending any notifications through the Windows Notification Center. If you're still seeing unwanted notifications, check for suspicious extensions. Click the three-dot menu in Chrome, go to Settings, then go to Extensions. Disable or remove any unfamiliar extensions that might be sending notifications. Once you have made these changes, restart Chrome and your computer to ensure the settings take effect. You should no longer see unwanted notifications from Chrome. That's it. You have successfully turned off Chrome notifications on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. See you in the next video.